Morning, Dad.
Morning, bud.
What you doing?
What does it look like I'm doing? I'm going on a motorcycle ride.
But haven't you seen outside?
Look, we're in Oregon, and I'm not afraid of a little bit of rain, okay? I'll see you later.
That doesn't seem very smart.
Well, that's bullshit. Well, that's disappointing. Was hoping to go out on a motorcycle ride today, but probably should have checked the forecast. Didn't anticipate snow today. I guess we'll find something else to do. Hopefully have a little bit of fun, and then maybe make it through the work week and get to next Saturday. So disappointing. This is what I'm talking about. It is finally time to go out on a motorcycle ride. Are you serious? Today's gonna be an expensive day. But it's still a motorcycle ride and I'll take it. Time to get going. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. What a difference a week makes here in the Pacific Northwest. Last week we had snow and ice and trees down and no power and I mean just a complete mess. And now it's beautifully sunny, but I'm on my way to the dealership taking the longer route because the weather forecast this afternoon is supposed to be rain. But I'm looking at the clock and it appears I'm running a little behind, so this detour might not be as long as I'd hoped. What are you gonna do? Alright everyone, plans to ride derailed just a little bit today. So I'm out here at BMW Motorcycles of Western Oregon. These guys are great. They are taking care of Blue right now. We're getting new tires and we're getting the service done. Preparation for hopefully the fair weather that's coming and some of the longer rides that we would like to do. It's okay, Blue. Should be a couple hours and head back out on the road. So I'm looking at my wrist like I have a watch. I don't have a watch on right now. They let me into the back area here so I can take a look at the stock that they have. Man, I love this bike. They've got a couple of low seat options. One for that 850 GS that I'm really interested in. Maybe at some point a test ride. Hint, hint. Of course it's starting to rain because it's Oregon. This is by no means a comprehensive review of this R1800. But they just put me on it just to kill some time while my bike was having service. First impression, it just makes you giggle like a little kid. Super fun. If you get the chance to ride this motorcycle, you need to do it. It's got a couple of different modes. Obviously you got your rain mode, super helpful right now. But it's also got a rock and roll mode. And when roll, super smooth feeling it. You put it on the rock mode and the whole bike is shaking every time you gun it. Much like my buddy Aaron said with his R9T, it's like the essence of motorcycling. It just puts a smile on your face. It's the exact same way with this thing. It was just a kick in the pants. If you get the chance to ride the R1800, you need to do it. Huge thanks to the folks here at BMW Motorcycles of Western Oregon for letting me take this bad boy out, giving me a little bit of swag for it as well. Hopefully we'll come back and do a proper review. I gotta get out of here, it's pouring, gotta get home. Thanks for watching. Take care. If you like what you see, go ahead and hit subscribe. Follow us for the next video. Take care and ride safe. So what do you think? It's pretty fun, right? Look, I don't get it. Well, what do you mean you don't get it? You didn't talk about any motorcycles. Well, I mean, I sort of did. I mean, I talked about the R1800. You think so, huh? Yeah. I mean, look, we talk about everyday life riding motorcycles. We are going to talk about what it's like to get the bike in for service. We're going to talk about what it's like to try and go on a ride after working a long week. We're going to talk about all that. Yeah, but it doesn't seem so exciting. You know, were you going to talk about the service? Well, no. I mean, not in this video, I guess. Were you at least going to talk about the Michelin Road 5 GT tires you got? I mean, I can, but it's probably better if I wait till the tires are broken in before I talk about if they're any good. So it's a video about nothing. Nothing, I guess. Seems that way. You gonna tell the missus about the bill?
What the?
Nice.